Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove characters from fields in Microsoft Excel. So guys, as we can see, we have dash between these characters, numbers, and you have another one, like you have the question mark, dash, semicolon or anything. And you want to remove in just a few seconds in your whole data. So you have to select this one where you want to put without dash this data like here. So select any cell, then click on this function. Now in this list guys, you have to find out. So firstly select all, and in this list you have to find out substitute. So select this substitute, then click on OK. Now here you will see this. Now here select your cell, in my case A1, in all text. So select any character which you want to remove and new text. So semicolon if you want to leave empty. Here you can see the preview. Your data will be appear like this. You have to make space between. So keep your cursor between this and click on OK. So we can see we can remove this way. Now click and drag and drop like this. So all dash or character you can remove easily. So thanks for watching guys. This is the way you can remove characters from field in Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.